Hello students. Chapter name Natural Disaster. Today's topic flood. Up to now we have studied about earthquake, volcano, tsunami, tidal waves. But in this module we will study about our next natural disaster, flood. Flood, what are the causes of flood? How you will prevent yourself from flood conditions. In this picture, many parts of the world are affected by flood. Is shown here. Now, what is definition of flood? Flood is a natural incident in which a dry area or a dry piece of land suddenly gets submerged under water. So what happens if rain continues for us together without any stoppage? Then there is an increase in the level of water in the rivers, lakes and ponds. This result in logging of water everywhere. Even the roads, they are filled with water, land is covered with water everywhere. So this excess water due to heavy rain is termed as flood. तो क्या होता है कि जो हमारे रिवर लेक्स और पॉन्ड्स में एक लेवल होता है वाटर का, अगर उससे ज़्यादा वाटर हो जाए देन दिस वाटर गोज टू नियर बाय लैंड एंड इट विल लीड्स टू अ कंडीशन जिसको बोल दिया फ्लड. Now, what are the causes of flood? First, overflowing rivers. When there is excess water in rivers, it causes flooding. Water bodies, oceans, rivers, lakes or ponds, when they have excess water, then this water goes to nearby land and it will lead to flood. Second, strong winds. Seawater can be carried by strong winds and hurricanes onto dry coastal lands which result in flooding. So get the strong winds. Strong winds also carry seawater along with it. And this seawater goes to nearby land and it will result in flooding. Third, breakage of dams. What happens when there is too much water behind the dams? The force of water breaks it, causing overflowing of water which results in flooding. डैम्स में एक लेवल तक वाटर होएगा, अगर उससे ज़्यादा वाटर हो जाए तो क्या होता है, वाटर फोर्स इट विल ब्रेक द डैम एंड दिस वाटर गोज टू नियर बाय लैंड एंड इट विल रिजल्ट इन flooding. Melting snow. In our previous chapter, our environment, we have studied about global warming. Due to air pollution, many harmful gases they are released into the atmosphere. And these gases, what they do? क्या करते हैं ये harmful gases? They will trap the sun heat and they do not allow the sun heat to go back. So sun heat will remain in the atmosphere और sun heat क्या करेगी? It will increase the temperature of the atmosphere. So अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो गया तो हमारे नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल में आइस विल स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग एंड दिस आइस मेल्ट डाउन. वी नो डैट ऑन हीटिंग सॉलिड चेंज होता है लिक्विड में, सो आइस विल स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग, आइस चेंजेस इनटू वाटर और ये वाटर जाएगा नियर बाय लैंड. इट विल अफेक्ट द नियर बाय लैंड और वाटर इन द ओशन will arises and it will goes to nearby continents. Next, what are the effects of flood? Due to flood, what happens? There is a loss of life. So, flood will affect the life of plants as well as animals. Plants, as a result of flood, the field get washed away of its crops. This result into shortage of food also. Human beings and animals, they get drowned in the flood water. Now, second, damage to property. House collapse, drinking water gets contaminated, which affects the loss of life as well as property. Third, spread of waterborne disease. So everywhere water is there, then what will happen? Germs, they will start growing in this water and they will affect the life of plants as well as animals. They will cause disease in plants, animals and in us also. Next, what are the preventive measures you will take when flood is there? First, constructing proper streams or channels for the excess water to flow through. क्या होता है कि रिवर्स के आसपास हम चैनल्स बना लेते हैं, प्रॉपर चैनल्स, बिकॉज अगर excess water is there in the river then it will flow through these channels. Second, planting enough trees to slow down the force with which water flows. नाउ टू कंडीशन आर देयर. एक कंडीशन हमारी, एक एरिया हमारा ऐसा है जो बिल्कुल एम्प्टी है, देन वाटर विल फ्लो स्पीडली इन दैट एरिया. एक एरिया ऐसा है जहाँ पर प्लांट्स, ट्रीज आर देयर, देन दिस ट्रीज दे विल स्लो डाउन द फोर्स ऑफ वाटर, दे विल स्लो डाउन द स्पीड ऑफ वाटर. Third, constructing proper embankment that controls the level of water flowing into the rivers. हम क्या करते हैं, डैम्स और रिवर्स के आसपास वॉल बना देती हैं which is made up of mud or stone, because this wall help in keeping the water there. So constructing proper embankment that control the level of water flowing into the rivers. So these are the preventive measures which prevent us from flood conditions. So in this module we have studied about definition of flood, what are the causes of flood, and what are the preventive measures you will take during flood conditions. Thank you.